Hi, I'm Frank Morano. I wanted to take a couple of minutes today to talk about an issue that's quietly becoming one of the biggest threats to homeowners here on Staten Island and across New York City. And that's skyrocketing homeowners insurance premiums. Over the past few years, the cost of homeowners insurance has gone through the roof. Pun very much intended. Many families are seeing their premiums jump by hundreds, sometimes even thousands of dollars every year. And here's the frustrating part. In many cases, nothing about your home has changed. You haven't filed a claim, you haven't moved, you've done everything right. Yet your insurance rates keep going up. Why? Because insurance companies are increasingly setting premiums based on losses happening all over the country. Wildfires in California, hurricanes in Florida, storms in other states. So Staten Islanders who live thousands of miles away from those disasters are often forced to pay the price. It's not fair. Our families shouldn't have to subsidize the consequences of policies or disasters happening somewhere else. And if we don't get a handle on this problem, it's going to make it even harder for middle class families, seniors, and young homeowners to afford to stay in the communities they love. That's why I've begun introducing a series of legislative measures to address this issue. First, I introduced a resolution calling on the state legislature to decouple insurance rate setting in New York from disasters happening outside our state. If insurance companies want to set premiums in New York, those premiums should be based primarily on New York risks, not losses happening thousands of miles away. Second, I've introduced a resolution urging the state to create a public insurer of last resort. Right now, if insurance companies decide to leave a market or dramatically raise prices, homeowners often have nowhere to turn. A state run option would ensure that homeowners still get coverage when the private market fails them. And at the next stated meeting of the City Council on March 25th, I'll be introducing another measure calling on the state to limit excessive premium increases, supporting legislation that would prevent homeowner insurance rates from rising more than 25% in a single year. Because no family should wake up one morning to discover their insurance bill suddenly jumped by 40 or 50%. These proposals are about something simple: fairness and stability for homeowners. Staten Islanders work too hard to buy their homes. They pay their taxes, maintain their properties, and invest in their neighborhoods. They shouldn't be punished by an insurance system that's increasingly unstable and increasingly disconnected from the risks here in New York. Affordable housing isn't just about building new buildings. It's about helping people stay in the homes they already have. And that's exactly what these proposals are designed to do. So I'll keep fighting for solutions that protect homeowners to keep Staten Island affordable for their families who built this community. And I'm hoping that Albany will listen. Thanks for listening.